Hi there! So, if you follow me, you know that I cannot go too long without using green eyeshadow. Green is definitely my favorite color to wear. Any variation. I particularly love olive green, even though I didn't go for olive green today. But anyways, today I decided to go for a green smoky liner. I really love how it turned out, and if you want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. Today's look is supposed to be kind of like a reverse cat eye, or a cat eye. I don't know if it's a cat eye or a reverse cat eye, but it's a cat eye nonetheless. Wow. I want to use a pencil base to create that cat eye look, and then fill in with the green eyeshadow. The pencil that I'm gonna use is brown, and it's the Maybelline Tattoo Liner Gel Pencil in the shade Smooth Walnut. I'm gonna start from my lower lash line. I'm gonna fill my waterline first. And by the way, I used an eyeshadow primer, so my eyes are primed and ready for eyeshadow or pencils or whatever I'm about to apply. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit, almost in between my lashes, but keeping it very close to the base of my lashes. And then I'm gonna continue it upwards and out, kind of pointing towards my temples. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna smudge it anyway. I don't know why I spend so much time drawing this liner. Anyway, I'm gonna use a pencil brush. This one is a Morphe M149, and it looks something like this. I'm gonna act quickly before the pencil has a chance to dry. I'm gonna do little swipes of the brush, starting from the outer corner towards my temples. So doing this motion. That is gonna provide the effect of a faded wing. And I'm gonna attempt to smudge the lower lash line as well. I like this already. Even though this is pretty, I want it to be green. And I have the Colourpop High Society palette, which is definitely green. I'm gonna pick up the darkest shade of the palette to top this pencil with. And this is going to shift the color of the pencil, but having the dark brown underneath the eyeshadow is going to intensify the effect and also kind of mute the color a little bit. So the shadow is going to look a little darker than in a pan and not as colorful, I think. And I'm using the precise tip of the brush to create a faded wing. If you don't have a brush like this, you can definitely work with an angled brush. I just find that this shape is really helpful in doing smoky liners like these. And I'm picking up a little bit more and applying it on the lower lash line as well. But again, I'm keeping it pretty close to my lash line. So just on top of the pencil. And I want to use a lighter shade to blend this out. I'm going to take this Don't Care shade from the High Society palette. And I'm using a Morphe M507 brush, which is a small blending brush. And again, it has a pretty pointy tip. It's not really that rounded, which again allows me to keep the eyeshadow pretty close to my lash line. And I'm going to use that tip of the brush and go above the liner. And I'm picking up a little bit more of that shade and blending my lower lash line as well. I really wanted to go with glitter as well, but it's so beautiful in this matte version. I think I'm gonna attempt to apply a little bit of glitter on my lower lash line. And I have the Stone Vibes palette from Urban Decay, and I want to use the shade, this Jade shade. And let's hope that the brush picks it up, because I can't really use my finger on the lower lash line. Okay, yeah, it kind of works. Usually with this palette I use my fingers because the brush doesn't really pick up the glitter, and I'm pretty sure that this would have been more intense if I would have applied it with my finger. But like I said, I can't really use my finger on the lower lash line. What should I apply in my inner corner now? I don't know, I think I'm gonna go with Promise. This one. I'm just gonna turn my brush around because I'm lazy to go grab another brush. yeah, this is pretty. I will be finishing off this eye makeup with mascara, but first I need to curl my lashes. And I like tilting my lash curler, pinching them from the base, tilting it towards my eye. And this really lifts the lashes. And today I'm gonna go for the Falsies Surreal mascara from Maybelline. I'm gonna apply it both on my top and lower lashes. I want to take back the pencil and re-intensify the waterline. I feel like it kind of faded. And I'm also going to line underneath my lashes, taking it all the way to my inner corner. This can really define the eye, especially this inner corner placement. For my lips, I'm going to go for nude. I'm going to line them first with the NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Truffle. This is, I think, my favorite nude pencil at the moment. I'm gonna fill in the corners of the lip. I'm gonna finish off with my favorite lipstick formula, the Maybelline Superstay Vanilla Ink. This one is in the shade Captivated. I have a lot of shades from this range. I think it's such an amazing lipstick range, and it's been hyped all over the internet, and for a good reason. This is a glossy lipstick that lasts like a matte one. So this is my look all complete. Green is definitely my favorite eyeshadow color to wear. I think it's so flattering, it looks royal in a way. It looks fancy and fun at the same time. Anyway, I do hope that you enjoyed today's video and you found it useful. I wish you a beautiful, beautiful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!